only have 20% battery, guys, so I don't think you're gonna be able to see me finish. If I finish, I think I'm good to go.
Yeah.
Let's go! Yeah! Whee! Sorry?
Do you want me to drop you further?
I like walking. I like to walk.
Okay, fine, because
I
I just waited for you.
Oh.
I thought like you're walking.
Oh no, yeah, I'm walking, but I want to go 40 kilometers on foot. I like to walk.
Okay.
All right, boys, we're on. 40 kilometers to go. I have no clue exactly where I'm going, and I have no clue how the terrain is. I don't know anything. All I know is just that I want to get to my hostel, which is 40 kilometers away, and I'm gonna attempt to do that all on foot. I think we've done like 2 kilometers so far, which is really good, because I've been walking just for like 30 minutes. My backpack already starts feeling heavy, although it's just like 16 kilos or something. Also, this is a really cute house, I gotta say. Guys, I think we've reached our first stop. I'm gonna go there and have a drink. I haven't drunk anything yet, and it's been like it's been a while, probably like an hour and a half. Man, this is so hot. It's like 34 degrees outside. Yeah, sucks. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do. Can I have a small Coca-Cola and one water? Yes, small.
Yeah. Small or big?
Small. Thank you. Man, it's so hot. The first worries of me not being able to do it are settling in right now. But yeah, gonna get this here. So we are here, and we need to make it there. I think we have like 2 or 3 kilometers in. So I've just checked Google Maps, and apparently we've been going 4 kilometers. That was 4 kilometers in about 50 minutes. So if I go like this, then I should be done in 4 hours or something like that. No, not 4 hours, what the hell. Anyway, I'm not good at maths. Here's the stadium for you. Hey guys, I think I just found the beach by mistake. Look what I found here. I hope I'm not in someone's house. Is that a shipwreck? Looks like a shipwreck. You know I'm gonna try to climb that, don't you, right? Holy shit. Guys, there's some people on that side, and I don't think I'm gonna climb this time. You know full well I would usually climb it, but if I get this dirty or like wet, then I'll have to go like that for the rest of the trip, which means like another 30 kilometers, and I don't really fancy it. Usually I would climb on it, but this time I don't really fancy it, because I'm guaranteed to get my feet and my train is dirty and wet, and so I don't want to do that. I don't want to go like that. So for today we're gonna abort the mission and just keep up with our... I'm not gonna do side missions today. I'm on the other side right now. There you can see the shipwreck. Nice. Maybe I'll go back and climb it at some point. Not now though. Ronaldo. Another around 30 kilometers.
Do you want me to drop you?
Yeah.
Do you want me to drop you?
Sorry?
Do you want me to drop you further?
I like walking. I like to walk.
Okay, fine, because
I
I
go
just waited for you.
Oh.
I thought like you're walking.
Oh no, yeah, I'm walking, but I want to go 40 kilometers on foot. I like to walk.
Okay.
It's a challenge for me. Thank you.
Like, you need a lift or something.
No worries. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. See, someone wanted to give me a lift. That's nice. Really nice, cool people around here. I guess if I'm not gonna make it, I'm actually gonna just let someone pick me up. Interesting. There's the sea, by the way, and we've got another like 30 something kilometers. Yep. Lightweight. Yeah, buddy. I found a little beach spot here. Ooh la la. Well, this doesn't look bad at all. Whew. Bobs. But yeah, the water is very warm. I'll probably still be feeling hot if I was to take to go for a swim. Anyway, I've got 30 kilometers to go, so let's go. Okay, I think we're approaching another pit stop. Also, I need to figure out whether I need to go this way or that way, or maybe it's the same way. But my water got warm, so yeah, I'm gonna stop here, see if I can grab a drink. Looks like I can.
Finish there. This one, limbu, small one.
It's good, it's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I have
10
one?
rupees.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Only one. This
Can I have that too? Yeah. Give me that one.
is 30.
30 rupees?
30 rupees, yeah.
20
Or
and
10 rupees, this one 20 rupees.
there we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This bag, yeah?
Sorry?
Plastic bag?
No, I'll just drink it here.
Okay.
I reached another bus stop. VP San Cole or something like that. I put my backpack like this. I think on the long run is worse to have it like this, but for now it's okay because my back hurts. Maybe we can get some sugar cane juice. Let's see. And I only have 20% battery, guys, so I don't think you're gonna be able to see me finish if I finish. I think more and more about accepting a ride from those who offer it to me. Alright guys, I found a hitchhike. Let's go. Sorry? Okay. I think I'm good to go.
Yeah.
Let's go! Yay!
Yeah.
Whee! Okay, he bring me quite far. So I used to be there, no, they're like here, and now I'm here. I've only got 13 kilometers left. Hey doggy. So yeah, so that man over there in the orange shirt said he's gonna stop the bus for me so I can take the bus and go to Candolim. Apparently that's where I'm going. It only took me 20 kilometers to realize, or 30. So for now, I'm just gonna sit here and wait for my bus, and then I'm gonna be there. I didn't get to walk for 40 kilometers, but I walked for like 11. So it's still alright. It's still good effort. I don't know how I'm gonna pay where I'm going. I mean, I'm going to the Canada. I don't know. Guys, I'm almost there. I finished my bus ride, and they left me around 6 kilometers away from my hostel, which is all good. I'm gonna be there in a sec. This was my little silly trek for my little silly mental health. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Hey doggy.